Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the scooter safe. Put it on the center stand and turn the ignition off so the electrical system is isolated. Next, unlock the seat using the key or press the latch under the left rear panel. This releases the hinge so the seat can be lifted. Once done, lift the seat gently to expose the mounting bolts and wiring. You need clear access to the hinge bolts and any connected fuel or storage cables before moving to removal. You now remove the seat hardware. First, disconnect any electrical connectors or a rubber fuel tube clipped to the seat. This prevents tearing and makes reinstallation easier. Then, support the seat with one hand and use the 10 mm socket or screwdriver to loosen hinge bolts. Holding the seat avoids injury from a sudden drop. After bolts are out, slide the seat rearward or lift from the hinge depending on model, and place it aside on a... To finish, make sure the seat is fully detached and inspect the hinge, springs, and clips for wear. Replacing damaged parts avoids future failures. Clean the latch and pivot, then apply a light grease to the hinge so it operates smoothly. When you reinstall, reverse the steps. Align hinge, tighten bolts, reconnect wiring and pipes, and test the lock and any under-seat lights. If the seat won't lock, check the latch alignment and replace worn clips before riding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.